Hey guys, this is Myanmar and welcome back to our channel Ampnics. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to export the fabrication file of our PCB. After designing the PCB, we are going to order it from somewhere, or for ordering the PCB, we need a fabrication format. So most of the manufacturers support Gerber file. So in this video, we will learn how to export the Gerber file of this PCB. For exporting the Gerber file, we have to click here on file, and then we will go for fabrication output. Then we will click here Gerber. Okay. So after after clicking on Gerber file, you will see this pop up. So we will generate drill files. Okay, just hit generate, and then after that just hit plot. All right, so our Gerber file is done, and hit close. So where you can find the Gerber file of this PCB, so open your project folder. All right, then you will see these all files are associated with the Gerber file. So what we will do, I will select this one and press shift button, and I will select this one. Okay, control plus X and right click, then we will make a new folder. Okay, and I will name it as Gerber GR. Okay, and double click it, and I will paste all the file here, control plus V. Okay, so as you can see, now our Gerber file is in one folder. So if you want to view it, like, we have to make a zip folder for this. So I will right click on it, and I will go for compress and zip folder. All right, now this zip folder is ready to order from anywhere. Like, you can forward this file and you can get your PC done.